guys, I'm sitting with my driver today as I'm headed to another city. Do you see a shiny reflective patch on the road ahead? It seems like water, doesn't it? As we get closer though, the water just vanishes, but we see the same reflection ahead. Water cannot evaporate this rapidly, right? This has to be something else. But what can it be? Let's find out. Our first important cue is that this reflection is visible from a certain distance only. That is, when the angle that a ray of light forms with the road is within a certain range. The second cue is that this only happens on hot afternoons. I've never seen this in cooler areas or in the evening. The obvious effect of this heat is that it heats up the tar road. The heat is then transferred to the air above the road. Consequently, the air becomes hot and expands. As a result, for light, it becomes the rarer medium. This hot air passes some heat to the layer of air above. That layer expands. However, not as much as the one below. So that layer is a slightly denser medium for light. Thus, we get many layers of air. Each layer is slightly denser than the layer below and slightly rarer than the layer above. When a ray of light travels from the tree to the road, it travels from the denser layer to the rarer layer. This ray bends away from the normal. When it enters the next layer below, it bends away from the normal again, and so on. This goes on until the ray of light is almost parallel to the ground. Thereafter, it continues to bend away from the normal and looks almost like a reflection. This ray returns to the denser layer and is bent towards the normal a little bit in each layer. And when this ray reaches our eye, we see the tree upside down. To us, this looks like a reflection of the tree and creates the illusion of water. If we are too close or too far, this light doesn't reach our eyes. Hence, this illusion of water is created only at a specific distance ahead. We cannot see the light. We cannot see the air. We can see only the objects from which light gets reflected. But if the light changes its direction due to refraction, the object appears to be a different shape, size or nature. The object is as it is. This illusion is created by the refraction of light. Oh, I see a traffic jam ahead. Perhaps I should stop and check what's wrong. So I'll hang up now and see what this is all about. Unless, of course, this is another illusion on the road.